Today's math lesson, we are doing 7.9 subtraction, reviewing all strategies, which is going to be word problems. So if you could get your math books out, page 268, 269. Remember, we've been using this top number 7.9 to help find our pages faster. You can pause the video now until you can find that page, and then you can start the video so you can work along with me. So you'll need your workbooks and you will need a pencil. I'm going to complete this section with you, and then your assignment for today will be to do this gray box and this page. Remember, if you can snap a photo of it or show it to me during our Google Meets, I will give you credit for it. Otherwise, just complete it and show your parents so they know that you're getting your work done. I will go over the answers tomorrow. So let's begin. I'm getting my pencil out. So remember, when we're doing word problems, the first thing you want to do is read the problem. So it says, 9 toys are on a shelf. Then 2 toys are sold. How many toys are left? Okay, so the first thing we do, remember when we have word problems, is we want to circle those numbers to remind us what numbers we're working with. And then underline the question, how many toys are left? And remember, we're doing subtraction. And to help us with our thinking, because sometimes we don't understand the word, is to draw a picture. You can use a scrap piece of paper, or I'm just going to draw off to the side because I don't have paper to be able to show you guys. So I know 9 toys are on a shelf. So I'm going to draw 9 bouncy balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then it says 2 toys are sold. I know sold means to get rid of. They're leaving the shelf. So I'm going to cross off 2 toys to show that they are no longer there. How many toys are left? So I want to know how many are still on the shelf. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 what? 7 toys. Remember, we have to have a word with our number when we have word problems so we know what we're talking about. 7 toys. All right, if you need to catch up, you can pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and move on. 11 apples are in a bowl. Then some of the apples are eaten. There are 5 apples left. How many apples were eaten? So this one's a little bit different than this one because we have that word some. Do we know how many were eaten? Right now we don't. We know that some. So we started with 11. Some apples are eaten, and then there are 5 left. So we know 11 minus something equals 5. Now, I know some of you are all like, oh, I have the answer. I know this one. But just because we're doing a word problem, we're going to go ahead and draw our picture. So we have 11 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. I don't know how many to cross out because it's some. Some are eaten, but I know 5 are left. So I'm going to circle a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know these 5 apples are left. So how many were eaten? How many are not still in that bowl? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 apples eaten. Sorry guys, this is really hard to write with a mouse and finger. So bear with me. Okay. So see the difference between this one? This one we know how many were sold, so we were able to cross them out. This one we didn't know how many were eaten. We just knew some, our missing number. So we had to kind of work backwards. We had to take what was left and find out how many were taken. Okay? Here we go. 7 friends are playing at the pool. 5 friends are in the water. The other friends are out of the water. How many friends are out of the water? So think of this one like we had the pigs back in school. We had 9 pigs, 5 were in the mud. Some of them were not in the mud. How many were in the mud? We had to draw that picture, okay, to help us with our thinking. So we know we have 7 pigs. 7 friends. I'm sorry, 7 friends. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I'm going to change my color here. We have 5 friends in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to draw a little wave of water around them. And I'm sorry, guys, I totally messed up. Remember, when we do our word problems, we need to circle our numbers and underline our question so we remember what we are working on. Okay, so we had 7 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 are in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I showed that by drawing water around them. How many friends are out of the water? We can see right here how many are out of the water. 1, 2. And so our answer is 2. 2 friends. I'm slow. This should give you plenty of time to get caught up if you have not drawn your picture. 2 friends. All right, last one. 15 passengers are on a bus. 8 passengers get off the bus. How many passengers are left on the bus? All right, so we have 15 passengers are on a bus. 8 passengers get off. And then how many passengers are left on the bus? Okay, so you could draw 15 passengers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to line them up like they're on a bus. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We know 8 passengers get off, so we can cross off 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many are left on the bus? Those are going to be the ones that you didn't cross off. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know 15 minus 8 equals 7. 7 what? 7 passengers. And I'm running out of room, so I'm just going to write pass. All right, this is exactly how you're going to do these over here. Okay, read them. If you can't read them, do the best you can. Tap it out. Figure out the words. Have mom, dad, sister, brother, aunt, uncle, someone help you read them. But remember, you can circle the numbers, underline the question, and draw your picture to try to figure out your answer. Okay? You do not, and I repeat, you do not have to worry about this section. I am not worried about the strategy you're using. I want to know if you can get the right answer or not. So for your assignment today, for the rest of your 15-minute math time, you need to answer these 6 subtraction problems. Try these 4 word problems, and then for a bonus, make up your own story down here. You got to put in your numbers. How many puppies are playing by the fence? So many puppies run away. Now there are how many puppies by the fence? You got to make your own word problem. Be creative, use any numbers you want as long as it makes sense. There's your Monday math lesson. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns or whatever, please message me on Dojo and I'd be happy to help. Or when you get into your Google Meet, you can ask me questions then. And remember, we'll go over the answers first thing tomorrow morning. Thank you guys. Have a great day.